Yo, CT here with a bite-sized jargon buster. Stick around. So what the hell is A-B and why does everybody say it? Well, I'm here to tell you what it is. The term A-B is simply comparing one thing to another. In music production, it's just like a subjective comparison between one method or another. Most of the time, when we say A-B, we're talking in terms of like processing, EQ, compression, distortion. After you've dialed in the settings, whatever they may be, you're literally just bypassing the plugin. You're turning the plugin on and off, and you're listening to the before processing and after processing. So this could be EQ on your vocals. You're listening to A, before processing, and then B, after processing. Or it could be that it's not about processing, it might be about the kind of microphone you want to use to record a vocal. So let's say you're lucky enough to have two kinds of microphones. You record one part of the vocal on one microphone, and then the same vocal on a different microphone, and then you listen to the two of them and you see which one you prefer. Or it could even be a different kind of snare sample. This snare drum versus this snare drum, which fits in my track better, A or B? And it's a great way to work. Always comparing one way to another, the before and the after, and then making a decision based on what works better. There is no right and wrong. It's about your taste and it's about the context that you're working in. So let's go, like, subscribe, share, blah, blah, blah. Big love, bye.